So the factors in choosing an API testing solution, and some of these we've kind of touched on previously, but again, these are all at a very high level, but team size and technical expertise. So that's one here. When you're looking at whether you should have maybe an open source solution or a commercial solution, the team size, technical expertise, is there any budgetary constraints? So we'd see some organizations where there may be budgetary constraints there, where they they mightn't have any budget for a commercial tooling. However, once a POC may be done and you can actually see the return on investment, and if we do actually implement something here, there is a far greater benefit, whether it's to the quality or financially to the organization. It may be something to kind of discuss internally. And then we have security, support, and maintenance. What are the long-term goals of the API testing strategy? So do we need, for instance, a tool that's going to be scalable? What does our API development look like in a year's time? Are we going to increase the number of APIs or even the versioning? Is that going to increase by maybe 20% or 40%? If so, the API testing strategy is going to need to scale up with that as well. So kind of having a look at those long-term business goals, and then project complexity, testing requirements. And again, as Joe mentioned earlier, that's where a lot of the out-of-the-box functionality that's included within Ready API can be very beneficial there. So when we look at the complexity, who needs to be involved with the testing projects, all of these requirements just should be something to keep in mind when you're evaluating both the open source and commercial offerings.